Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasyapi da ke rupa, ringkat bat ke orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Palat sanphongud ia ki Pulit jang sarkar Assam ki belawan thau ketem jubor ha ka Shnong kentot yurem biam khirmi ka bahap ka Shnong Khatkhasla ki lahaban mi no klam kano no jing pin ibor na kani Shnong ka badang hap apo upur sam ka jila Meghalaya hadin ka jing Shimkhia jang ki bor Synshar jang ka West Jaintia Hills district komut chu pentep hangi ki Pulit Assam ki lawan her syakani Shnong ban penyang ya ka border police outpost nadu katayo bakhaddu jung pernah jemang mentau senam arajar khat khandai hawa kilawan ra ru daki pu shilom ban penmadan yang ketiga jaka ki noilam Shnong jong Shnong Khatkhasla bat ka Shnong psiar kila pentip marmar gini kejingja show superintendent of police jong West Jaintia Hills district uba lakadors em ha ka arbu pratri jemang arajar khat khandai ban Shimkhia ketiga jingja namar ka jingbam patiau jing ki Pulit Assam bat ki bor Synshar ka West Karbi Anglong district ya ka jing Kynran bat ki bor Synshar jong ka West Jaintia Hills district ha ka khat atri ujleu arajar khat khandai kila batha ya ki bor Pulit Assam ban mi no na kene jaka ha ka singi ka bubut kata ha ka khat lai trik ujleu arajar khat khandai ki bor Synshar district na juai kila pha palat sau phongut ki Pulit lem bat ki Pulit special force 10 hapo ka jing lam jong ba Ferdinand Basan u deputy SP West Jaintia Hills uba Don Kupar Moksha ban lek ekran biang bat ki bor peniat distrik jongka West Karbi Anglong ha keteke jaka ki nong Shnong jong Shnong Khatkhasla bat psiar kila hiar pat ba sya keteke jaka bat penpau ya kajing persya jongki halor kajing le bahe jong sarkar Assam ha ka Shnong jongki ka barang ha pura hapo Meghalaya katkum ka mam jongka Meghalaya ka bala penkre da ka Survey of India katu kaningot ki nong Shnong kila penpau ya kajing dom jongki halor ka jingsu thu bakla jogi katto ka ningot ki brio ba ka block 1 kala sedang nado psiar ka jing kren hapadeng kita ki arliang mamla kala thanam bha bat baro arliang kila pen i la ki jong kinia ki jutang bat khadu khatwai la menjor ban pensange no ya ka jing thau jong ka Assam police outpost ha ka te jaka bat ki Pulit Assam ru kila pen prano ya ka te ka yingsa shipor ka ba kila de penyeng kum mencupen ken mau hang ni baka jing kentur put jong sarkar Assam bantai ka Assam police outpost ha ka Shnong Khatkhasla kala sedang nadu senam arajar khatsan bat kala beteng biang ha ka aruf khandai tri kala lengkon arajar khat pra ha ka baki Pulit Assam kilawan ra daki pu shilom ban penmadan bat penkhoj ka khlau ha ka khlau Shnong jong ka Shnong Khatkhasla psiar katkum jing te patikna ka sarkar Assam ka thmu wanchna Assam police outpost ha Khatkhasla bat hasaj sama ki bahap apo West Jaintia Hills bat kila dep penyang ka outpost ha umru ka bahap apo block 2
liang igam ke nong chong Shnong i bru pna chini ya i mum cha i chong da ke sarkar Assam ha kan khinda ba chi i bu makhari ya taka dagam te i liang igam ke nong chong Shnong i je dang wan ke sa si sien i dang pemi be i di pai ba bai wan be i ki thaka tu ka tha ba pu chong go sa ke yong si taka dagam te on ki kam phe ki wa em he bor yong ka sarkar snam hau e ka outpost dong ke police yong ka makhari ya wan bo ha ke ni ki thau panar apo ni ka area ke yong taka dagam te nga on ki snam ha ki thia jeng ni ke jing e pai lu liang ke nong chong Shnong ki pai ba the one lot ki ne ni ki jat panar bo tung thi wen ni ke sarkar Assam ka dagam te nga panjing mur ole phi snam hai le stam yaklam wo chief minister yong ko Meghalaya le wo chief yong ka Assam wo pembai ye ni put ka ang yong i wo sup i bijat pna ka ni thau jaka yong i
ka sarkar Meghalaya woto na do ga arpo pratrik uni bunai ida chem i wa ka ching le ki yong ki Assam da lor ki do su chna ki kani ga ha post ni ha apo yung remi am kera penting bisi buat Pulit cita Synshar serliang nai terpenting bisi buat Pulit ki buat drum nai te hado kani ka khat atriwan da krep biang da rak biang ki kitir kitar podam kam kani ka thau nai te penting biang kan isa kini buat dua haneng lembah brio lembah MLA lembah DSP lembah OC lembah borok bi he buat sarkar da penting di foto oni har terik Tahu dok ni kan le teriguan da miki le ni da wan ki sorkar na pom khalia da miki le ni la thau yang I le ni la Khatkhasla.
The request, in fact, I have spoken to Honorable Chief Minister myself, and we have had a discussion on when we should meet. And accordingly, the process has started. The two Chief Secretaries have initiated the process, and we're waiting for a response now from Assam side. And we had in fact decided that we'll be meeting around this time, but because of the Niti Aayog meeting that has come up tomorrow with Prime Minister, so therefore I think this will take a bit more time. The new government has been formed, so both Assam Chief Minister and myself also are slightly busy trying to ensure that we do our initial discussions and movement with the central government. So I think the process has started, and let us see, hopefully very soon we'll be able to come
pending this
together.
meeting, you are still seeing Assam is trading to Meghalaya. Yesterday there was an incident in Synshar.
No, this has been happening for 3-4 days, but I have spoken to Chief Minister myself on the phone, and I've told him that this kind of incidents should be avoided, and let us meet first, and then we'll decide on how to move forward. So in the meantime, those activities have been stopped.